Hi, it's Tasha with WTI.
If you're looking for a bottle to stay hydrated, this stainless steel bottle is definitely for you. This water bottle is really durable. Also, the paint doesn't peel off like other metallic bottles. We love this WYLD Gear stainless steel water bottle. It's perfect to have around the desk when you're working, so you don't have to worry about it spilling water on top of any of your electronics. It doesn't leave any metallic taste in my water, and it keeps it cool all day long. Even when I take it on the go and it's in the car or in hot weather, the water inside is always cool. I love the sleek design and the awesome handle. It can double as a hook and it's easy to carry or take wherever you go. It really stands out and has a nice rubber bottom so it doesn't cling and clang when I set it down. And I'm super pleased with the wide mouth to be able to fill it easily.
And that's my point of view.